Join me with the Goddess Cleansing Ritual 1 and 2 from Charlotte Tilbury. First, we take the Ritual 1, which is the Citrus Oil Radiance Cleanse. Get a dollop. That gets a lot off. I do not have the muslin that comes with it. It's in the wash, but I do have one of my soft face towels. So that's what I'm going to use. Step 2 is you take the Purifying Charcoal Cleanse and you massage it into your wet face. My face is wet. Massage it until it turns white and avoid the eye area with this one. I think this is as white as we're getting. Dry my face. I got a clean washcloth and I just press. All clean now for evening skincare.